Also, we won't be needing this reCAPTCHA. Let us also check what we will need to change in this config. We won't be using this or this. For the password, we just need to know that it is required and that it is a string, and we could remove this. We would be using a name and no this. Similar functionality includes connecting it to Redux, because after being logged in, we need to tell Redux that we are logged in, and we also need to persist our info, since the payload that is coming from the backend is similar in login and sign up APIs. So let us also remove this password pattern since we're not being using it. And let us remove the reCAPTCHA and the name values. So now let us import this. For sure we need to rename it to login and need to call this login. Let us just use this inside our route. So let us check what we could have. Okay, so right now we are having the login form rendered. So let us sign up for a new user and use it in the login form. So let us just say Ahmed 999 and sign up. And let us just add this 99 in the login form to test it and submit. Okay, so it's also working, and we could see that it is dispatching the same action, which is logged in. And if you looked at the network, you will see that the API is returning the token and the user object. Let us now implement logging out functionality. So I think logging out functionality would be cool if we have a button in the navbar that is called Logout. So we need it to be at the right, so we need to copy paste this, and instead of mrauto we'll use mlauto, and we need to have a bit of margin at the right, and instead of this we will use nav link. But before the nav link we need to have an li with a class name of nav item and on click, which equal this.logout, which will be a function that we will set up later. In the nav link, this would take few props like to equal login and active class name equals active and the class name of nav link.